Hi there, my name is John Leishman. I'm the CEO of Geeks on the Way, and I'm just doing a quick video blog on my perceptions and thoughts on teleworkers. We've used teleworkers in our company since 2004, when Voice over IP, Voice over Internet Protocol just came out, and we were using terminal services from Windows to enable remote access for our applications. And there seems to be a perception in the marketplace among managers that if you can't see your staff, they're not productive. And I've been on both sides of the fence. I've had an office, an open-air office with all my staff working in the same room as me, as well as having a hybrid with staff in the same office as me, as well as teleworkers. Uh, and now our company is 100% virtual. So we have teleworkers working in Mexico, or from Mexico, from the US, and from Canada. All in real time, collaborating in real time, doing sales calls, help desk support, bookkeeping, administrative tasks, sales proposals, you name it, everything that is involved in running a service-based business. But I keep seeing this recurring theme that if people can't see their staff, they don't know if they're being productive. And I know from firsthand experience that I can have staff in the same room as me with their monitors facing themselves and I can't see what's on their screen, and I know that they're on Facebook because I can see that they haven't made themselves hidden, or I can see they're on Twitter, or I can see that they're doing things they shouldn't be doing, they're not being productive. So here's my theory, or my opinion anyways. My opinion is you need to hire the right people. If you don't have the right people, the people aren't going to be productive whether they're in the same office as you or they're not. And I know there's some companies that put in different tools to monitor where people are on the internet and what they're doing. But really, my question to them would be, well, if your staff are spending too much time on Facebook, are they the right staff for your company? Like, really, you need to hire the right folks, the right personality who are engaged in the work, who find it interesting, who actually enjoy it. And not everyone's going to enjoy it all the time, including myself. But it really becomes clear in our organization if someone is not pulling their weight, because the reality is someone else has to pull their weight for them, and it spreads throughout the organization, and we all become aware of it, and then we simply need to deal with that person. I mean, we have a stepped process for doing that. But I don't think there's ever going to be some scientific way to be able to control who does what and make sure that they're productive all the time. I think you simply need to hire the right people, and I think you also need to have the right culture of the organization. If everyone's working together in a cooperating together to solve problems, help with customers' issues, then I think that also helps build a culture of people wanting to work and wanting to help, and having the right communication tools helps us enable that. We use HipChat, which allows us all to chat in real time, no matter where we're located. Could be Vancouver, it could be Mazatlan, could be Canton, Ohio. It doesn't really matter, but it's a great tool for us to allow rapport and sort of water cooler talk to happen virtually. And then we also use Google Apps for document collaboration on sales proposals, for uploading files, for bookkeeping, vendor invoices, that sort of thing. So we've utilized technology to allow us to work virtually. And I think if you have the right communication, which I think goes hand in hand with the right culture of the organization, and you have the right people, I don't think you really have any need to worry about how productive people are. I think it's an older mentality that you need to command and control. Maybe you do in some industries. I mean, I'm not too aware of what industries that might be, except for maybe the Army. But I've even read that in some special forces, they want the people to be able to work within a team, but also be able to work independently because of the situations they're put in. And I think you want the same in any organization. Anyways, that's my quick video blog on my issue with people saying that they can't use teleworkers because they can't see them. I simply say you don't have the right communication tools, or you don't have the right culture, or you simply don't have the right staff. Thank you.